Hello everyone. Advocate Kholeka Gcaleka's nomination to replace Busisiwe Mkhwebane as public protector has been met with mixed reaction, including from the EFF deputy leader Floyd Shivambu. The acting public protector is in the running to fill the position permanently, while suspended public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane's term expires on 14 October. The National Assembly ad hoc committee was presented with 38 nominations to fill the post. The nominees, including their redacted CVs, have been published for public comment until July 21. Shivambu objected to Gcaleka succeeding Mkhwebane and said the nominations mean nothing. He took it to his Twitter account and wrote, "Kholeka will never be the public protector of South Africa. The nominations mean absolutely nothing. The decision to appoint a public protector needs 2 out of 3 of the National Assembly, and Kholeka will never receive such. There are credible candidates in the final list. They will emerge." The EFF also objected to Gcaleka's name during the committee's announcement of the nominees. Last week, the EFF leader Julius Malema said Gcaleka was an imposter. He rejected her findings on Phala scandal. Malema went on to say the tactics to bury the Phala report, most recently by an ambitious public protector who seeks to piggyback her way into the office, will not work. The EFF will never allow careerism to undermine the fight against corruption. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.